Okay, it's about 11 o'clock at night, and you guys may be wondering why am I shooting a video this late, but I want to show you guys a little trick I learned probably when I was a teenager, and it has something to do with the island of this Mustang too. It runs pretty good. I got the carb dialed in, but it's still a slight tremble in the motor. All the vacuums are pretty much new hoses. I changed everything out with the exception of the spark plug wires, and they seem to be pretty good, but I'm gonna show you guys something you can do if you have some arcing spark plugs. So let me get all this, take the cover off some. All right, we got some light. Let's all right, we holding up now. So we're gonna start this thing up and see what we can see if we have an issue. Turn the light off. Shouldn't take long to start up. The carb is pretty much dialed in, but it has a slight tremble or a nice little tremble when it's idling. So I'm gonna figure that out. I gotta get the lights in here working too. Should be simple. Radio, everything works good. All right, let's pat the gas once and let's see what it starts. Like I said, it runs good. First try. But even right now, it's not idling as smooth as it should. Let's get the light and see what's idling it. It's holding okay. It's a little jumpy. But I'm gonna show you guys something right now. We don't have to let it run long, but I'll show you guys my problem. You gotta do this at night though. This side, pretty good. I'm on the driver's side now. Driver's side. If you guys look, you can see that faint spark. Well, it's actually arcing pretty bad. I'll get closer in a second. It's arcing on that header, and what it's doing is each time it hits that cylinder, it's trying to shut it off. It's trying to ground it out, hence the misfire or the erratic idle. So yeah, I got a bad spark plug wire there that's arcing pretty bad, and I'll show the wire in a second. But that was the problem with the car, and if I don't do this, I don't see it. I don't see that if I don't do this in the dark. This thing runs good, but when I fix that, it's gonna run great. But just want to show you guys that. So I'm changing tomorrow morning when I come out. Just want to show that tonight. Quick way to diagnose your vehicle if you're having some misfiring issues. Start at night, and you're gonna see if you have any bad spark plug wires, because this spark is gonna come through. All right, stay tuned. Move the wire. Here's the culprit here. I seen tape on it, but I didn't know why. And I'll take the blame for this, but should have changed the wires out. I bought the engine. The guy said that he had not that long replaced those wires, and they all look really good with the exception of this one, which has the tape. So gonna hold the blame for that. Should have inspected it. But they all look pretty decent. It all didn't look bad, so I got a replacement wire. This ain't the right wire, but it'll work. It'll work. So let's start this thing up and see how it's running. Okay, cold start. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. Alright, so wrap for this video. To the next one, tear some out.